Hi traders, today's video is 5 powerful Forex trading tips. I'm going to give you 5 very important tips to becoming a profitable Forex trader, and they are developing a trading plan, demo trading, trading journal, psychology of trading, and live trading. Now stay with me to the end, as each one of these tips will make a huge difference to your trading. And introducing myself, my name is Duncan Cooper. I'm a full-time trader and the senior market strategist and trading mentor at ACY Securities. So let's start with developing a trading plan. I'm sure that you've heard this phrase before: without a plan, you plan to fail. Now you should develop a trading plan that you can follow for each trade that you take. This is so important. If you do not follow a strict trading plan, how can you review what is or is not working for you? Okay, now every good trader that I know has a written trading plan that they follow. So what should be in a trading plan? Your trading plan should include detailed information on the following: trading capital, trading profit goals, trading times, money management rules, trading strategy rules, trade management rules, and post-trade review rules. So I encourage you to take the time to write a written trading plan and then follow it and test it. Next, we'll discuss demo trading. Demo trading is critical to your trading success. You should take a series of trades in your demo account and review these trades according to your trading plan. Ensure that you can identify trade setups correctly and trade these profitably before you're putting real money at risk in your live account. If you cannot show profitability in a demo account, you will not show profitability in a live account, and I cannot stress this enough. Only start trading in a live account when you've proven to yourself that you're profitable in a demo account and not before. Okay, the next important tip is keeping a trading journal. So you should keep a written trading journal of all the trades that you take. This will assist you in identifying areas for improvement within your trading. And your trading journal should be reviewed weekly. Now for each trade, keep a detailed note of the date and time of the trade, the currency pair traded, the reason for taking the trade, entry, stop loss and target price, trade management rules employed, your psychological state of mind, and any other factors contributing to the outcome of the trade. Now by journaling and then reviewing your trades, you will be able to identify strengths in your trading that should be maintained, and more importantly, weaknesses that should be addressed to improve your overall profitability. Journaling and then reviewing is critical to your trading success. A small change to your trading plan can lead to a large change in your profitability. Now, on a personal note, I journal every trade that I take, because if I start to have losses, I want to know why. Yes, this is a time-consuming process, but it is well worth the time and effort. Now this is probably my most important tip: the psychology of trading. Most traders, when they start trading, believe that trading is all about technical analysis and having the best trading strategy. If I become a great technical trader, I will become a very profitable trader. This could not be further from the truth. Trading is 90% psychology and 10% analysis. And the sooner you come to terms with this and develop a plan to improve your psychological profile, the better trader you will become. Now, I could try and write a whole training module on trading psychology, but it wouldn't come close to the book Trading in the Zone, written by Mark Douglas. It's considered to be the best book written on trading psychology. The book will truly get you thinking like a professional trader, Address your unrealistic trading beliefs and expectations so that you can trade on edge like a casino. I highly recommend that you purchase a copy. Myself, I have a hardbook copy and also an audio copy so that I can listen to it in the car. Read a chapter a day, every day. When you get to the end of the book, start reading it again. Make its content part of your trading fabric. Okay, my last trading tip for the day is live trading. When you've proven to yourself that you can follow a trading plan, shown profitability over a series of 20, 40 or 60 trades, then and only then should you consider starting to trade in a live account. If you cannot show profitability in a demo account, as I said before, you will not show profitability in a live account. Now, as you start your trading in a live account, I recommend that you trade a very small lot size and get comfortable. Trading is not a race, you're in it for the long haul. If you trade one micro lot and only risk 20 pips with your stop loss, it would only cost you approximately $2 if you were to lose. Now get comfortable with trading real money before you increase your trade size. And my final tip, the psychology of trading will become very important to your overall profitability when you're trading in a live account. I know from my personal experience that the psychology of trading is very important to my profitability as a trader. I have to work on my psychology of trading each and every day. Okay traders, there you have my 5 powerful Forex trading tips. Now if you're interested in improving your trading, why not join me in my free beginner webinar series? You can register by using the link in the description below. All those that attend the webinars get full access to my own MT4 chart layouts and indicators. Okay traders, thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.